Next one, example of homopolymer, step growth polymer, addition polymer. First one, ethene, N moles of CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, polymerized to form of polyethene or polyethylene, CH2 single bond CH2 bond N times. N moles of ethene polymerized to form of polyethene. The polyethene or polyethylene. Next one, N moles of CH2 double bond CH bond CH3, propene. Propene polymerized to form of polypropene, CH2 CH and then CH3 bond N times. The polypropylene, polyethene or polyethylene, polypropylene. Next one, N moles of CH2 double bond CH bond C6 H5, C6H5, CH2 CH1 C6H5 bond N times is as styrene, polystyrene or styrone, polystyrene or styrone. Next one, N moles of CH2 double bond CH bond CN, vinyl cyanide, acrylonitrile. It is a styrene with propane, the ethene. Ethene polymerized to form of polyethene. Propene polymerized to form of polypropene or polypropylene. Styrene polymerized to form of polystyrene or styrone. Acrylonitrile, otherwise called vinyl cyanide. In the vinyl cyanide polymerize CH2 CH CN on N times. The polyacrylonitrile or Arlon or acrylon or polyacrylonitrile. It is an example of homopolymer, step growth polymer, addition polymer. In the next one, CH2 double bond CHCl, N moles of vinyl chloride, N moles of vinyl chloride, polymerize to form of polyvinyl chloride, CH2 single bond CH bond Cl, N moles. It is a polyvinyl chloride, PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Then N moles of CH2 double bond C, Cl, then Cl. Undergo polymerize CH2 bond C, Cl, bond Cl, bond N times. It is a Saran A. The compound name Saran A. Saran. In the next one, CH2 double bond CH COCH3, polymerize to form of CH2 CH COCH3 bond N times. The polyvinyl acetate, vinyl acetate polymerized to form of polyvinyl acetate. Then CF2 double bond CF2, CF2 double bond CF2, polymerize C F F C F F 1 n times. It is a polytetrafluoroethene, PTFE, PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene or Teflon. Teflon. Next one, CF2 double bond CClF, polymerize CF2 CClF, bond C fluorine fluorine C Cl bond F n times, poly trifluoro chloro, polychloro trifluoroethene. This is polytetrafluoroethene. Here polychloro trifluoroethene, polychloro trifluoroethene. Next one, CH2 double bond C CH3 O COCH3. N moles of these compounds. CH2 double bond C CH3 O COCH3. Polymerize to give CH2 C CH3 OCO CH3 n times. It is known as PMMA, methyl methacrylate. This is a compound methyl methacrylate, methyl methacrylate. So polymethyl methacrylate or lucite or plexiglass or perspex. Polymethyl methacrylate or lucite or plexiglass or perspex is obtained from methyl methacrylate. Next one, neoprene isoprene, CH2 double bond CH, then C CH3 double bond CH2, polymerize to give CH2 single bond CH double bond C CH3 in then bond CH2 CH3 CH2 n times. It is a isoprene. It is a polyisoprene. Polyisoprene. In the polyisoprene exists in two forms. One is a follow the 1,4 addition. Another one katta pacha. In cis form, another is a trans forms are there. Cis form, like in the carbon double bond. Here CH2 in the hydrogen, in the CH2 n times CH3. It is like a cis form. CH2 length of chain and CH2 length of chain. Similar group lie in the same side known as a cis form. This compound follow the 1,4 addition. Another one transform. CH2 CH double bond C, then CH2 n times 1 CH3. This compound always called a katta pacha. Cis form follow the 1,4 addition. It is a transform. Transform follow the katta pacha. The next last one, chloroprene. CH2 double bond CH1 C Cl double bond CH2. The chloroprene polymerize to form of CH2 CH double bond in then CCl bond CH2 bond n times. It is a neoprene. Neoprene. It is a chloroprene. Chloroprene. Chloroprene polymerase to form of neoprene. The neoprene follow the 1, cis and trans, both are the neoprene exhibit both cis and trans. But isoprene exists in two form. Polyisoprene exists in two form. One is a cis form and another is a trans form. Cis form follow the 1, addition. Trans form always called a kata pacha. In the methyl meth acrylate, polymerase to form of polymethyl meth acrylate, lucite or plexiglass or perspex is a example is obtained from methyl meth acrylate. Next one, polychloro trifluoroethene. Ethene. It is a trifluoroethene. Trifluoroethene. In the monomer of trifluoroethene, polymerase to form of polychloro-trifluoroethene. It is Teflon, otherwise called polytetrafluoroethene. It is a tetrafluoroethene. Tetrafluoroethene polymerase to form of polytetrafluoroethene. Vinyl acetate polymerase to form of polyvinyl acetate. Vinylidene chloride. It is a vinyl chloride. It is a vinylidene chloride. Vinylidene chloride because of two halogen directly connect the same carbon. It is a gem dihalide species. In IUPAC name of gem dihalide can be expressed as a lidene. So vinylidene chloride. Vinylidene chloride polymerase to form of Saran A. It is a Saran A. Vinyl chloride polymerase to form of polyvinyl chloride. Acrylonitrile, it means called vinyl cyanide. Vinyl cyanide. Acrylonitrile. Vinyl cyanide polymerase to form of polyacrylonitrile or polyvinyl cyanide or Arlan or acrylium. Styrene. Single monomeric unit of styrene polymerase to form of polystyrene, otherwise called styrone. In the single monomeric unit of propene, polymerase to form of polypropene. Single monomeric unit of ethene, polymerase to form of polyethene. So ethene can be converted to polyethene, propene can be converted to polypropene, styrene can be converted to styrone, acrylonitrile can be converted to polyacrylonitrile, Arlan or acrylium. Vinyl chloride can be converted to polyvinyl chloride. Vinylidene chloride can be converted to Saran A. Vinyl acetate can be converted to polyvinyl acetate. Tetrafluoroethene can be converted to Teflon. Chloro-trifluoroethene can be converted to polychloro-trifluoroethene. Methyl meth acrylate can be converted into or polymerase to polymethyl meth acrylate or lucite or plexiglass or perspex. In the isoprene can be converted into polyisoprene. Polyisoprene cis form follow the 1,4 addition. Trans form otherwise called kata-pacha. In the chloroprene polymerase to form of a neoprene. Neoprene compound also exists in cis and trans form. Both cis and trans form follow the 1,4 addition. Both cis and trans form. Cis and trans form. Both cis and trans form follow the 1,4 addition. It is an example of is a homopolymer or step growth polymer, addition polymer. Next one we are going to discuss about the in the condensation polymer, chain growth polymer, copolymer. Example of copolymer. Condensation polymer, chain growth polymer. Example of chain growth polymer, condensation polymer, copolymer. Copolymer condensation polymer, chain growth polymer. First one, polyester. 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 Ethylene glycol. HO, CH2, CH2OH. Ethylene glycol. N moles of ethylene glycol can polymerize with terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. C double bond O OH. Polymerize with terephthalic acid. N moles of ethylene glycol can be condensed with polymerized with terephthalic acid. Two different molecules. Here, same number of molecules polymerized to form of polymer compounds. It is a homopolymer. So, homopolymer defined from, it is a repeating structural unit of a homopolymer can be obtained from the single kind of unit of monomers. And then copolymer can be derived from the repeating structural unit can be derived from the different kind of. One is ethylene glycol, another is terephthalic acid. It is a ethylene glycol. Glycol. It is a terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. The both different compounds contains undergo the polymer to form of a polyethylene terephthalate. CH2O. And then C6H4. COO1 n times plus 2n minus 1 moles of H2O can be removed. Is a polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate or terylene or Necron or Mylar. Polyethylene terephthalate or terylene or Tecron or Mylar. It is an example of copolymer, condensation polymer, chain growth polymer. It is an example of polyester. Another one, in the ethylene N moles of ethylene glycol, CH2, CH2OH can be combined with phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. Terephthalic acid, phthalic acid. It is a phthalic acid. It is a terephthalic acid. Both are same molecular formula. But COOH will present in different position, known as a position isomers. The two compounds are exhibit the position isomers. In COOH, two carboxyl group present in terminal carbon. So opposite carbon, para carbon in benzene ring, known as terephthalic acid. It is a phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. The N moles of ethylene glycol can be combined with phthalic acid, H2O remove, phthalic acid to give, can combine with the N moles of ethylene glycol. If O, CH2, CH2, O, C, double bond O, then C, double bond O, O, N times. N times. It is a polyethylene terephthalate, terylene, Decron, Mylar plus 2n minus 1 moles of H2O removed. It is Kleptol. Kleptol or alkydes resin. Alkydes resin. Next one, polycarbonate. It means called N moles of HO, benzene ring, C, CH3, CH3 on in the OH. It is a carbonate. Can be combined with the C double bond O, X bond X, where X equal to Cl or OCH3 Cl or OCH3 methoxyl chloride. These two compound polymerize to form O C CH3 then CH3 bond O C double bond O n times. It's a polycarbonate. Polycarbonate or Lexan. The three compounds is example of polyester. Lexan, alkyl or alkyl resin, polyethylene terephthalate or terylene techran mylar. In the polyethylene terephthalate, terylene techran mylar can be obtained from terephthalic acid can combine with ethylene glycol. N moles of ethylene glycol can combine with phthalic acid to form of a claytol or alkyl resin. In then polycarbonate can be combined with in then carbonyl chloride or dimethoxycarbonyl compounds to form of a polycarbonate or Lexan is the example of polyester. Next one, polyamide. Polyamide. First one, NH2 CH2 6 times. NH2 can be combined with in HCOOH, HOCO, CH2 4 times, then COOH. In the hydrogen can combine with another moles of adipic acid, then H4 mode. In the NH2 hydrogen, one hydrogen can combine with OH, then H4 mode. In the OH can be combined with another hexamethylene diamine, H4 mode, to form NHCH2 6 times, bond NHC double bond O, CH2 4 times, bond C double bond O n times. It is a nylon 6,6. The number 6,6 can be derived from number of carbon present in each compound. 6 carbon in hexamethylene diamine. The hexamethylene diamine contains 6 carbon. Another one, 6 carbon in the adipic acid. 2 carbon in carboxyl group. Remaining 4 carbon in methylene group. Totally 6 carbon in adipic acid. So 6 carbon in hexamethylene diamine, 6 carbon in adipic acid to form of a nylon 6,6. The number 6,6 it is used to indicate the number of carbon present in each compound. So depend upon carbon, different type of polyamides are there. Next one, nylon 6,10. Nylon 6,10. 6 carbon in amine compounds, 10 carbon in carboxyl compounds. So NH2 CH2 6 times NH2 can be combined with sebacic acid, HOCO CH2 8 times then COH. It is a dicarboxylic acid. What is the general formula of dicarboxylic acid? CH2 n times, COO twice, CH2 n times, COH, and then COH. It is a general formula for dicarboxylic acid, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Where n equal to 0, COH, 1 COH. Then n equal to 1, COH, CH2 COH. Then n equal to 2, COH, and then CH2 twice, and then COH. N equal to 3. N equal to 3. COOH CH2 thrice then COH. N equal to 4. COH CH2 4 times then COH. N equal to 5. COH CH2 6 times 5 times 5 times then COH. N equal to 6 then COH CH2 6 times COH. N equal to 7 COH CH2 7 then COH. N equal to 8 COH bond CH2 8 times bond COH. Totally 10 carbon in this compound. N equal to 8. 8 methylene, 2 carboxyl group. Totally 10 carbons are there. Here 9 carbon. Here 6 plus 2 8 carbon. 5 plus 2 7 carbon. 4 plus 2 6 carbon. 3 plus 2 5 carbon. 2 plus 2 4 carbon. 2 plus 1 3 carbon. 2 carbon only. It is a general formula of in the dicarboxylic acid where N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So totally different compounds are there. Actually, in this compound E3 memorized by using Ohm's law PSAS. OM GA PSAS. Ohm's law PSAS. O oxalic acid. The compounds are called the oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, pirmalic acid, subbaric acid, acylic acid, sebacic acid. Totally 8 compounds are there. Oxalic acid. This compound oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Malonic acid. Malonic acid. Oxalic acid, malonic acid. Next one, succinic acid. Succinic acid. This compound succinic acid. Then glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Next one, adipic acid. Adipic acid. Then pirmalic acid. Pirmalic acid. The next one, subbaric acid. Subbaric acid. These compound in the acylic AZELAIC. Acylic acid. Then sebacic acid. Sebacic acid. So sebacic acid contains totally how many carbon? 8 methylene carbon, 2 carboxyl carbon. Totally 10 carbons are there. The 10 carbon contain a dibasic acid, that means called sebacic acid, can combine with hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine. Those compounds which contain totally how many carbon? 6 carbon. These compounds contain totally how many carbon? 10 carbon. So 6 carbon contain a hexamethylene diamine can be combined with 10 carbon contain a sebacic acid of dibasic acid to give NHCH2 6 times NHC double bond O CH2 8 times then C double bond O N times. It is a nylon 6, 10. Nylon 6, 10, nylon 6, 11, nylon 5, 8, 5, 7, 4, 2, 4, 3. Number of nylon compounds are there. It is dependent upon number of carbon present in each compound, number of carbon in the diamine compounds, and number of carbon in dioic acid compounds. The dioic acid compound contain sebacic acid contain totally 10 carbon, hexamethylene diamine contain totally 6 carbon. So 6 plus 10 16 carbons are there. So number of molecular mass increases. It is an example of polyamides, another one polyamide. Next one, in the caprolactam. இங்க N bond H is C double bond O. N moles of caprolactam polymerize to give polycaprolactam. N H CH2 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 5 CH2 bond C double bond O bond N times. It is a Perlan L. Perlan L or L Perlan or Perlan L. In the Perlan L also polyamide because of those compounds which contain NH and C double bond O. Amide linkage known as a polyamide. Perlan L. The Perlan L can be obtained from polymerization of N moles of caprolactam. It is a caprolactam. The next one, in the diamine benzene or benzene 1,4 and 1,3 or 1,2, NH2 can combine with HOCO bond COH. Terephthalic acid can combine with 1,4 diaminobenzene. It is a 1,4 diaminobenzene, 1,4 diaminobenzene. It is a terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. The H2O, the hydrogen from NH2, OH from the OH group, then H2O removed. So N bond H, benzene ring, bond N bond H, bond C double bond O, bond C double bond O, bond NH. So N times. It is a Kevlar. It is also amide compounds, polyamides. 1,4 diaminobenzene can combine with terephthalic acid to form of a Kevlar in para position. Another one, Nomex. NH2 ortho meta. Here NH2 meta position can combine with COOH, then COOH. OH from the carboxyl group, hydrogen from the NH2, the H2O remove in meta compounds. It is all para. It is 1,4 diaminobenzene. It is 1,3 diaminobenzene. Diaminobenzene. It is 1,3 diaminobenzene. It is a 1,4 diaminobenzene. It is a terephthalic acid. 1,4 dicarboxylic acid of benzene. So benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. It is 1, 2, 3 meta position. Benzene 1,3 dicarboxylic acid. H2O removed gives N bond H, then benzene ring meta. NH C double bond O, benzene C double bond O N times. It is a Nomex. It is a Kevlar. Nomex. Kevlar can be obtained from 1,4 diaminobenzene can combine with terephthalic acid. Nomex can be obtained from 1,3 diaminobenzene can be combined with 1,3 benzene dicarboxylic acids. Next one, polyurethane. Polyurethane. It is also polyamide. Polyurethane. CH3. N double bond C double bond O. Here also. N double bond C double bond O. It is a urethane. Urethane. The urethane can be combined with N moles of clay carbon. N moles of clay carbon. Urethane can be combined with N moles of clay carbon to form of a polyurethane used as a fuel in rocket engine. Is compound CH3 NH and then C double bond O CH2 O N times, then NH C double bond O and then CH2 O N times. It is a polyurethane. Polyurethane. Urethane can combine with N moles of glycol to form of a polyurethane. Used as a rocket fuel, rocket engine fuels. Polyurethane. Next one. In the resin, bakelite resin. Phenol formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde, melamine formaldehyde. So N moles of formaldehyde, HCHO, N moles of formaldehyde can be combined with N moles of phenol. N moles of formaldehyde can be combined with N moles of phenol. N moles, all are N moles of compounds. If in intermediate compound Novolac, this is the compound contain intermediate. Novolac, OH, CH2, OH, and then CH2 N times. Here also CH2 N times, then OH, CH2, here are the motion. Then CH2 N times, then OH, CH2 N times, here also CH2 bond, then CH2 N times. It is a bakelite. Bakelite is usually in manufacture of switch cord. Bakelite. Intermediate compound of a bakelite, Novolac. Intermediate compound of a bakelite, Novolac. So N moles of formaldehyde polymerized with N moles of phenol to form of a bakelite. The next one, another one important resin. Formaldehyde can be combined with or condensed with urea. Urea formaldehyde resin. So N moles of formaldehyde can be combined with NH2 CO NH2 polymerized to form of. In then CH2 NH C double bond O, in then NH, then CH2 N times. It is a urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. So formaldehyde can be condensed with urea to form of urea formaldehyde resin. Next one, melamine formaldehyde. N moles of HCHO formaldehyde can be combined with melamine. NH2N, NH2N, NH2N. It is a melamine. Melamine is a urea. In melamine melamine. So n moles of melamine polymerized with or combined with condensed with n moles of formaldehyde gives NHCH2 n times. Here n, here NHCH2 n times. Here n, here also n. NHCH2 n times. It is a melamine formaldehyde resin. Melamine formaldehyde resin. Melamine formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. Bakelite. Intermediate compound of bakelite known as a novelite. These compounds are example of copolymer, step growth polymer and condensation polymer. These are all example of copolymer, step growth polymer, then condensation polymer.